In 1995, under the last Tory government, Welsh unemployment figures rose to a staggering 9% of the population. Who would have thought that in 2009, under a Labour government, we'd be back at that level? Last week's figures show that there is a staggering 130,000 people in Wales out of work. It hasn't been this bad for over a decade. For those people, it's absolutely devastating. They're struggling to pay their mortgages, struggling to look after their families, and the psychological and mental effects of losing your job just can't be counted. At this time, more than ever, we need the Welsh Assembly Government to be investing in skills and education and new job opportunities. But what the Welsh Assembly Government are doing is exactly the opposite. Cutting budgets in our FE colleges, cutting budgets to our universities, and actually telling international business sources that Wales doesn't want to do business with them. It's time for a fresh start. A fresh start for our colleges and universities, and a fresh start for our economy. Working with business to cut their overheads, working with business to help them employ new people, and working with our educational establishments to give those people the skills they need to succeed in the workplace. Plaid and Labour in the Assembly don't seem to want to listen to that agenda, but that's what the Welsh Liberal Democrats are going to be fighting for. A fresh start for the workers of Wales.